So, by and large, this bill is good for each one of you, irrespective of your political differences right now. And, Honorable Speaker, I leave it to the House to decide. I beg to move. I beg to reply.
Honorable members, order, honorable members, listen to me clearly. Listen to me clearly on this particular honorable members. We are going to put the question. But before we put the question, I reiterate that this matter of the committee of the whole House would come with leave of the House. There is nobody who has won or lost. You will have an opportunity to win or lose when you vote. So if you feel aggrieved, you still have the opportunity to vote. So I put the question, which is that the Political Parties Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 56 of 2021, be now read a second time. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Many as have a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. The ayes have it. And now,
a bill for an act of parliament to amend the Political Parties Act and for connected purposes.
Order, honorable members. Time being 1:59 p.m. This House stands adjourned till Tuesday, 25th January 2022 at 2:30 p.m.